How to fix Google Chrome's slow download speed. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, to resolve this issue, follow the step. Firstly, check for the Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is super slow, you need to change into a better connection. If not, tap Open or Tab. From here, tap on the three dot and head over to Delete Browsing Data. It is to clear off the cache. After which, head over to Extension and make sure that if any of the extension is actually sucking up all of your data. If not, in the search bar, search for Run. In here, type in ncpa.cpl and tap on OK. After which, it will navigate you to your network connection. Right-click on your network and head over to Properties. From here, select on Internet Protocol version 6. Select on Properties and tap on Use the following DNS server address. In here, manually type in 1.1.1.1 in preferred DNS, and for alternative type in 1.0.0.1 and OK. It is a Cloudflare DNS server which is yet to be the fastest server. After which, search for command prompt. In here, you need to type in ipconfig /flush DNS and tap on enter. This will help you to clear up all the cache and to restart your network as well. It's a quick and easy process, so make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.